Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Twitter or X account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Twitter or X account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your browser guys, on this interface you can see there's a search bar at the top of the screen. Click over there and type in the address x.com and don't enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Twitter or X now. Currently, now in order to log into your X account guys, you can see the sign in button available for us over here. Click on the sign in button, and either you can enter your username, phone number or email address over here, or you can also log into your X account with your Google or with your Apple account. If you click on either of these buttons, a login panel to your Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective account, you'll be logged into X or Twitter with your Google or your Apple account. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address of over here of our X account. And after that guys, and after entering email address or username or phone number guys, click on the next button over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password of your X account, and you'll be able to log into your X account from over here on your PC. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your X account or your Twitter account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.